So this is going to be a short video on a clock repair desk. This is a regular desk, right? Like it's from about the 1960s. It is, I've used it for my office, and this is where I do all my repairs, and so it has slowly built because it's got a nice big top on it. I've slowly built and tucked all my stuff in there. The drawers still have like office kind of stuff in them. And then this side was a typewriter desk. And so it was just a door that opens and was full of a bunch of crap, right? I used it to store cards and things, Christmas cards, boxes of stuff that I was going to mail. So yesterday I cleaned this out and made a nice little clock storage area. And then this, if you can find one of these typewriter desks that still has this in it, because a lot of people took them out and just used this as storage, there is a way that this shelf comes out, turns sideways, and rests on here. And I had like a shelf here with some junk in there and a bunch of junk down there. But I cleaned all that out and restored it to the function that it was supposed to have. Let me get this out of the way. So this slides out, and your typewriter in the past would be permanently mounted here in these holes, right? Like it would just hang down and you would slide it in here and close it up for the day. My mom was a secretary on the Navy base, and this was probably the desk, like the desk that she had. But this lifts. Whoop. There's a nice, very heavy latch right there that it snaps into. And a nice little, metal cup right there that's got a metal flange that goes into it, so it sets very solid. Typewriters back then were very heavy. So I now have a new clock working on station. A friend of mine that I'm sure you've heard me talk about, Mark, look, cigarette burns. Back when you could smoke in the office, right? The person was right-handed apparently, because this part's real rough where their ashtray sat and their cigarettes burned right there. So anyway, my friend Mark is making a Lazy Susan thing for me that's going to go right here, so when I work on clocks I can spin them around and work on the back or the front. I've put my little level on here. It's nice and level, and I'm going to get a clock to put on there. A very heavy clock. My French slate clock. I got to do something too. Okay, this is my French slate clock. The pin fell out of the hinge, and when I tried to put it back in, it wouldn't go back in, so the door's just kind of hanging here like this. So I've got to get some tools and take that hinge out so I can get the pin in there. I'm going to take the pin out of the hinge so I can get it lined up better and get the door back on. But this clock weighs 25 pounds, and this has no problem holding it. It's still level. So I'm going to be in good shape, right? Because I shouldn't be doing any clocks any heavier than that. I'm really excited about it. All this time I've had a workstation for things that puts it right where my hands are. Not up at eye level, but it's where my hands are, so it's comfortable. Nice. So anyway, just one idea if you're looking for a clock repair desk. An old typewriter desk works really well. Thanks for watching.